If you're paying for Loom every month, you might be able to cancel it today. Google just quietly released a free screen recorder built right into your Chrome browser. It records your screen, your face, and saves everything automatically to Google Drive. And if you're already on Google Workspace, it costs you nothing extra. I'm Peterbot Moriarty. I'm helping Peter create some of his videos while he helps support our customers. In this video, I'll show you exactly what it does, how to set it up in about 60 seconds, and whether you can actually ditch your Loom subscription for good. Section 1. Google keeps replacing your paid tools. Here's something I've noticed over the last few years. Google keeps quietly adding tools into Workspace that replace software businesses are already paying for separately. We saw it with Google Docs eating into Microsoft Word. We saw it with Google Meet, replacing Zoom for a lot of teams, and now screen recording. Most teams use screen recording for the same things: sending a quick walkthrough to a client, training a new staff member without jumping on a call, recording a how-to for your team so you don't have to explain the same thing twice. For most businesses, that means paying for Loom. And Loom starts at around $18 per person per month, which adds up fast once you've got a few people on the team. So when Google drops something that does the same job for free, it's worth paying attention. Section 2. What is Google Vids Screen Recorder? Google Vids Screen Recorder is a Chrome extension. That means it's a small add-on you install in your browser. It takes about 10 seconds, and after that, you've got a little button sitting in your Chrome toolbar. Click it once and it starts recording. You can choose to record just your screen, perfect for walkthroughs and tutorials, or you can record your screen and your face at the same time so the person watching can see you react and explain as you go. You can record up to 30 minutes per session. And when you stop, the video saves automatically to Google Drive through Google Vids. So it lives right alongside your docs, your sheets, your everything. And it's available free to every Google Workspace customer, regardless of which plan you're on, as long as your admin has Google Vids turned on in your Workspace settings. It's also available on personal Google accounts. Section 3, how to set it up. Let me show you how to get this running. Step 1, open Chrome, go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Google Vids Screen Recorder. Step 2, click Add to Chrome. It installs in about 10 seconds. Step 3, pin it to your toolbar so it's always one click away. Click the puzzle piece icon in your Chrome toolbar, find Google Vids Screen Recorder, and click the pin. Step 4, click the icon. You'll see two options, screen only or screen plus camera. Pick whichever suits the recording you're making. Step 5, hit record. There's a short countdown, then it's capturing everything. Step 6, when you're done, click stop. Your video saves automatically and you'll get a preview. Step 7, from the preview, you can open it in Google Vids to trim it, add captions, or clean up the start and end. Step 8, share it. You can send a Google Drive link directly, or if you want, you can publish it straight to YouTube from inside Vids. And that's it. From install to your first recording, about 60 seconds. If you're watching this and realizing you're not sure exactly what's included in your Google Workspace plan, that's one of the most common things we help businesses with. Most clients we talk to are paying for tools that Workspace already covers. We can do a quick audit and show you exactly what you've got. Link in the description to book a chat. Section 4, honest comparison, Google Vids versus Loom. Now let me be straight with you, this isn't a Loom is dead video. There are things Loom still does better. Loom has more advanced editing tools built in. It shows you viewer analytics, who watched your video, how far they got, where they dropped off, and it has comment threads directly on videos, which is great for back and forth feedback. So if you're in sales and you rely on knowing exactly who opened your video and when, or if you're in a creative or marketing team where video commenting is part of your workflow, you probably want to keep Loom. But for most small businesses, sending a walkthrough to a client, Google Vids handles it. Training a new team member, Google Vids handles it. Recording your SOPs, so nothing lives only in someone's head. Google Vids handles it. And it does all of that for $0 extra. Compare that to Loom at around $18 per person per month, 5 people on your team. That's $1,080 a year for a tool you might not need anymore. Section 5, the bigger picture. Here's what I want you to take away from this video. Google Workspace keeps getting more valuable, not because the price goes up, but because Google continuously rolls out new features. Screen recording is just the latest addition, building on a steady stream of upgrades like AI writing in Docs and Gmail, video creation in Google Vids, and enhanced presentation tools and slides. Every time I sit down with a new client, I find tools they're paying for separately that their Workspace subscription already covers. So the question I'd encourage you to ask yourself is this: when did you last do a proper audit of everything that's included in your plan? Because there's a good chance you're paying for things you already have. Ready to try it out? You'll find the link in the description to install the free Google Vids Screen Recorder extension. It literally takes 10 seconds to set up. Also, if you need help figuring out exactly what's included in your Google Workspace subscription and what extra tools you can finally stop paying for, we've got you covered. Just book a quick chat with our team using the link below. Finally, drop a comment and let me know if you are officially switching from Loom, or is there another tool you're paying for that Google should build next? I'd love to know what's on your list.